I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. I open the circle tonight with the vibration of the flowers. I open the circle tonight with the reminder of how important your connection with the flowers is for each one of you. The vibration of the flowers is very powerful at this time. The vibration of the flowers can open your heart to new levels, help you open your consciousness, and help you be here in this dimension and the other dimensions that you begin to travel in with ease and with comfort. I am Quan Yin, opening the circle this evening, bringing you all together and gathering you in, drawing you into my heart for comfort, drawing you into my heart for refuge, drawing you into my heart and my garden to relax, to rejuvenate, to renew, to slow down and see the bigger picture. I am Quan Yin. The vibration of the flowers is powerful on your earth at this time. It's powerful within you. You are flowers, and the flowers of your chakras are opening. The petals are opening, letting go, and revealing the essence of your true divine nature in the physical form. This year, as you move forward, things are changing on your planet. The calendar has shifted. Your world has shifted. You have been listening for 10, 15, 20 years now of the messages on the ethers, the messages in your hearts, the messages coming from the starships, from the guardians, from the angels. You have been listening and you have been hearing, sometimes in your cellular body, sometimes with your human consciousness and ears, and sometimes with your heart, and sometimes with all three. Awareness is a state of being. Breathe now and mentally repeat the word aware. Let the word aware resonate through your being. Let yourself be aware. Let yourself be aware of your divine nature and connect with the divine nature. On the solstice, after the last full moon, you heard from Mother Kali. You heard from the Black Madonna. You heard about the feminine rising. You heard about the aspect of the feminine rising that expresses the sorrow, the pain, and the rage. This is important for you to understand that the shadow feminine is simply the opposite of the light feminine, and altogether they are one, and there is unity. And you have been working through unity in the last year, understanding unity and community, understanding unity within your own being by seeing what is not unified. And now, in this next part of the journey, you have the opportunity to see the divine in others, to find your own divine nature, and to see it reflected in those that bring the most discord into your heart, that raise the most level of fear, that you feel are the most opposite of you.